M3Partners, the very reliable business partner providing optimized and effective manufacturing solutions to your production needs. Enjoy challenging the best quality of precision. M3Partners is prepared with the well-organized manufacturing infrasystem, which provides most suitable manufacturing options, including 3-axis CNC machines for high productivity, 5-axis suitable for the extremely complex parts, turn mill machine, and the like. By adopting the most suitable machining process, M3Partners can build satisfactorily even those tricky parts with highly complex geometries. As a one-stop total solution provider, M3Partners covers from developing prototypes up to mass production and product assembly. The enterprising spirit towards the highest cutting-edge technologies. As a forerunner in the additive manufacturing industry in Korea, equipped with premium performance 3D printers in the world, M3Partners has been accumulating valuable manufacturing know-how in this new technology and now applying it to various industrial sectors with appropriate solutions. The parts printed out of high strength can be used as final products without further processes. This brings great benefits of short lead time thanks to unnecessary molding process. Manufactures industrial parts out of different metallic materials such as aluminum, Iconal, stainless steel, etc. To achieve the same precision quality for 3D printed parts as CNC machined parts, lately we introduced the hybrid type of equipment LaserTech with the capability of 3D printing and 5-axis CNC machining simultaneously. This innovative equipment obviously extends its application to the various industries like aerospace, medical, dental, and automotive industries, etc. This is very creative of making the design of highly complex geometries into excellent real shape impossible via traditional manufacturing process. With international quality standard system, M3Partners puts top priority on the high level of quality ensured with coordinate measurement system for stringent precision requirements. Experience M3Partners' reliability and sincerity. Thank you.